Hi everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. This is Praveen Durai from Dice University, and in today's video, we are going to take a look at why you shouldn't use Shortstack to create your affiliate page. So before we proceed further, please help us, please support us by hitting the subscribe button, the like button, definitely if you like the video, as well as the bell notification so that we can keep producing good content for you guys. So let's get started, shall we? Let's go. Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about Shortstack and why you shouldn't use Shortstack to create your affiliate page, guys. If you have not heard about Shortstack, Shortstack is very famous for all these kind of contests, all these kind of giveaways. If you want to create a landing page for giveaways and all this kind of stuff, Shortstack is one of the most famous platform to do so. And since I've already given you a brief abbreviation of Shortstack, you should know, right? If it's a giveaway, definitely it's either going to be a sales funnels or it's going to be a product funnels. If you want to go ahead and give away something when you're doing affiliate marketing, that thing does not make sense at all, right? I mean, that's the core thing about Shortstack, that why you shouldn't use Shortstack in the first place. It does not tally with what you should do. But then they do have a landing page builder as well, which you can go ahead and build your landing page, and then we are going to talk about why you should not use that particular landing page builder. So the first reason why you should not use the landing page builder is because it's not connected to your website. When you are creating a landing builder with Shortstack's landing builder, you have to take extra effort in branding, guys, because you can't connect this directly to your website. When you're doing affiliate marketing like consistently with giveaways and everything, you want to make your affiliate website look at your affiliate landing page, should I say, sorry, not affiliate website, your affiliate landing page or your affiliate page, it should look almost similar with your offer page. So the offer page will have its own branding, right? So you want to make sure it looks like that. So you have to do a lot of extra effort in branding, and you must make sure that it's always consistent with the offer page. And that is something I think one of the biggest drawback about Shortstack, rather than the whole function itself, because they are not created for this purpose, guys. That's the main thing about Shortstack. I'm not saying that they are all bad. They do have their own speciality in certain things, but then when you talk about creating an affiliate page, I don't think they are suitable. One of the reasons is this, and the second reason would be that it is pretty confusing. If you just go ahead into the Shortstack's dashboard and you try to look at the designing options, for an example, you can actually see there is actually a designing option within another designing option, which makes it totally confusing. Not only that, the navigation of the dashboard itself will look a little bit bad, guys. But mostly when we talk about confusion, I would like to emphasize on the designing part. When you're trying to make it look a little bit better, when you're trying to make it a little bit stylish, you want to customize certain things, the designing options will have, like, I don't know whether it's because of too much input or whatsoever, but then there will be designing option within designing option, and all this is pretty confusing, guys. And another reason why you should not use the Shortstack is because of they are the most annoying landing page builder that I have seen in my whole life. What I mean by too much email is they will spam you, guys. They will spam you with too many emails. Trust me, if you go ahead and register, if you have used Shortstack before, you when I'm talking about this, then you'll be like, oh my god, he's really true. They will spam your inbox like crazy, and that's really bad. I don't understand why a company which has a very good reputation, has been in the market for quite some time, which has a specific focus, would still think that email spamming would work. I don't know why they opted into that form of marketing, because I don't think spamming email works at all. email marketing does work. I'm not saying email marketing does not work. Email marketing works in a very different way. But spamming email to your customer, that is something that you should not do. It will make your customer annoyed. I am annoyed with Shortstack because of this. It will also make your customer to leave your particular software. And one of the major reasons why you should not use Shortstack in general itself is because of this. This is the only reason that I'm not being very specific towards the affiliate pages alone. I'm talking about generally. Shortstack has this problem where they actually spam too many email towards you. And the next one is that they do have a very nice plan. And the thing about Shortstack's plan is that they do have a low plan. They do have a cheap plan. I won't say that the price is too expensive compared to other competitors. Their price is something which I would say it's okay, it's nice, it's good enough. But they do have this low price plan, right? And this low price plan has limited function. I've actually showed you the plans before when we are talking about Shortstack earlier in the video. So you can actually see that the lower plan has a lower functionality. And this is one of the biggest problem, guys. I mean, they give you a low plan and then they limit the functions there. That's like very bad, right? I mean, there's a lot of if you compare to like Insta page, which only has one plan, two plan. One is like $199 and one more is like customizable. So if you compare to them, this is actually way better. Definitely it's way better, but still the low plan actually consists of a very limited function. And this limited function actually helps you to not build a high converting landing page. I won't say that you can't build it, but then it actually, how do I say it? It actually holds you back. It actually drags you from reaching that highly convertible landing page. And that's what I personally think about the low plan limited function as a problem for you, and why you shouldn't use Shortstake for building your affiliate page in the first place. And then the next one is difficulties to navigate all the different options. Like I told you, this one will be related to my one where I said it's confusing. There's like design option within design option itself. This is the same thing, guys. It is pretty difficult to navigate within the dashboard of Shortstake, guys. I think it's because of there's a lot of different options. There's too many options. Like I told you, right? Options, designing option within designing option. So there's like a lot of options, and this makes the thing very difficult to navigate. And I think this is one of the biggest drawbacks of short stay, where when it's actually difficult to navigate, especially if you're an experienced affiliate marketer. You might find it a little bit easy to adapt, but then if you are a beginner affiliate marketer, you will find it very hard to adapt to this particular situation, guys. You will feel like, hey, it's really hard for me to proceed further. What should I do? Why there's too many things? It's confusing. It's hard to navigate. It will make you feel very frustrated, and ended up when you're frustrated, you will not be able to create a very good landing page. Trust me, your emotion controls your result. This is 100% proven, and that is why you should not use the short stay to actually create an affiliate page. And the final one that I would like to talk about is that there is actually a very limited template styles. When you talk about the template within the short stakes landing page builder, you can actually see that they have a very limited template first, and then the styles of the template is very limited. So when you want to go ahead and how do I say it? When you want to go ahead and customize your template, when you want to customize a design, the options are there. Like I told you, too many options are there. But then the customization is very hard. It's not easy to do the customization. You can't customize a lot of stuff, and there's not many options on the template itself. So limited template as well as limited options within the template. And when you have you might be thinking, if what is he talking about? It's like correlation, he's talking about there's too many options when it comes to designing, but then when he's talking about limited, he's talking about templates, he's talking about there's limited style. When I talk about template, I'm talking about something which is already existing, which is something which is already given there. That is what I meant by template. So they do have a very limited template, but they do have a lot of designing options, which is pretty confusing as well. So these are the reasons that I would really say that why you should not actually go ahead and use the Shortstack to create your affiliate page. So if you don't use Shortstack, what should you use? You can definitely use Landerize. Landerize is a brand new software which was recently launched, guys. What I like about Landerize is that they do have the same drag and drop features like all their competitors. They since they are recently launched, they have like only 50 templates. I think they will improve. I really hope they do. Like they improve at least to 100 templates. I've also like before I talk more, right? I've also attached the link to Landerize in the description of this video. Just go ahead and check it out if you want to. The thing that I like about Landerize the most is because it's actually very fast. You can take the Landerize landing page that you build with Landerize, you can upload it in Amazon S3, which makes the loading process pretty fast. And you can actually integrate the Landerize with volume. You can integrate it with Binom, you can integrate with RayTrack, you can integrate with a lot of external trackers as well. And I've personally tested out this particular Landerize. You just go ahead, click on the link below the description, and then you go to Landerize, you try to create a page. I managed to create a page within 3 to 4 minutes with Landerize. Maybe because I'm a little bit used to creating landing page, but if you're a complete beginner, I think you can actually create landing page within 10 minutes max, guys. It's so easy and it's so simplified to use, and you can get your landing page running up just like that. And the major reason why I like Landerize is because Landerize is built specifically to cater affiliate marketers. I would always have this feeling, I would always wish this. Why don't somebody understand us, our affiliate marketers' problem? Why don't somebody look at landing page from an affiliate angle? Why everything is more to a product sales funnel? Why nobody look it at from the affiliate angle? And Landerize came in, guys. Landerize was actually built by and super affiliate for affiliates, guys. So that particular person know exactly, he thinks from an affiliate marketer's angle, from your angle, from my angle. He knows what's the issues that we are facing, and then he designed Landerize to solve that issue. So it's specially catered to create your affiliate page, guys. So like I told you, the link is in the description of this video. Just go ahead and check it out, guys. I don't think you will be regretting checking it out. So just go ahead and check it out. It's really cool, guys. So that's about it in today's video, guys. I think we have reached the end of the video. Thanks again for watching this video. Please support us by hitting the subscribe button and the like button, as well as the bell notification, so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos as well. I'll be seeing you in the next one, and bye bye.